Welcome, everyone. Today, we're exploring a foundational movement often called the ultimate secret to lifelong mobility, vitality, and low-impact fitness, Tai Chi Walking. If you are over 60, traditional cardio like running or jumping can put intense pressure on your knees, hips, and lower spine. But here is the good news. You do not need high-impact exercise to get incredible results. Tai Chi Walking offers a gentle, science-backed alternative. By shifting your weight mindfully, engaging your core, and breathing deeply, this slow-motion movement acts as a natural pump to dramatically boost blood circulation. At the same time, the continuous waist rotation gently activates your deep abdominal muscles, helping to burn visceral belly fat without straining a single joint. Before taking our first step, let's establish proper posture. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart, keeping your knees soft and slightly bent, never locked. Imagine a soft thread pulling the crown of your head upward toward the sky while your pelvis tucks under slightly to lengthen your lower spine. Place both hands gently over your lower abdomen, known in traditional practice as the Dantian. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, letting your belly expand. As you exhale out, gently draw your navel back toward your spine. This subtle core engagement turns every single step into a deep midsection workout. Now, let's begin the movement. Shift your weight entirely into your right leg, allowing your right knee to bend softly so your left leg becomes completely weightless. Slowly lift your left foot and step forward, landing softly on your heel first, without placing any weight on it yet. Once your heel touches down, roll your weight forward through the arch and onto your toes. As your weight shifts forward, gently sweep your right palm past your hip while pushing your left palm softly forward at chest height. Exhale as you push forward, and inhale as you draw back. This rhythmic rolling from heel to toe compresses and releases the veins in your lower legs, driving blood and oxygen straight back up to your heart and instantly improving whole body circulation. Now, let's flow continuously. Heel down, shift your weight, rotate your waist gently, and exhale. Step forward, shift, rotate, and breathe. Pay close attention to that gentle twist in your waist. Every time your torso turns with the arm sweep, you are massaging your internal digestive organs and firing up the deep transverse abdominis muscles. It is this low-intensity, steady-state movement combined with rich oxygen intake that helps melt away stubborn belly fat over time. Slowly bring your feet back together. Place both palms over your lower abdomen. Close your eyes and take 3 deep, restorative breaths. Feel the warmth of fresh blood circulation flowing through your legs, core, and hands. Practicing this simple movement for just 5 to 10 minutes a day can transform your balance, boost your energy, and keep your core strong. Thank you for moving mindfully with me today. Take care of your body, keep breathing deep, and namaste.